In this video, we will discuss about the best 10 bank PO coaching in Patna for bank examination preparation. Rank 1 Plutus Academy, top IBPS bank coaching in Patna. Plutus Academy established 20 years ago to solve the problems of aspirants seeking to prepare bank IBPS coaching with a dream to crack the banking sector exam with the shining colors. Rank 2 The Hindu Zone, top IBPS coaching in Patna. This coaching has a strong online presence in Patna, aims to cater students' point of interest in making their concept clear for the bank exam preparation. In Patna, well-reputed coaching provides quality education with the smart module and interactive sessions. Rank 3 Paramount Coaching Center, best IBPS bank coaching in Patna. Paramount Coaching Center is one of the best leading educational platforms established in the year 2006 with an aim of providing remarkable preparation training to their aspirants. Not only with the training, also provide to mark and grade guidance for their government job. Rank 4 Mahindra, top IBPS bank coaching in Patna. Mahindra believes that the maximum they explore from an aspirant's mind, the maximum positive outcome they receive. Its constant focus is on the excellent out of their students. Because of their success is Mahindra's success. Rank 5 Kartar Coaching Center, top IBPS bank coaching in Patna. Kartar Coaching Center PVT Ltd is an extremely good place for excellent dynamic coaching center. Was founded with a meaningful vision to impart a quality education and opt for unbeatable results. Rank 6 Professional Academy, best IBPS bank coaching institute in Patna. Professional Academy is located in Patna and very well known for their all coaching programs. Professional Academy works like a professional team of educators. Rank 7 Chronicle Banking Service Academy, best IBPS bank coaching in Patna. It provides coaching for banking entrances including IAS, PCS, Bank, SSC, NDA, CDS, Railways, Airways, UPSC and others. Chronicle Banking Service Academy is closed on every Sunday. Rank 8 BSC Academy, top IBPS bank coaching in Patna. BSC Academy is familiar names among countless of students. In fact, BSC has become a prestigious platform with professionalism and remarkable in the field of competitive exam center. Rank 9 Career Planner, top IBPS bank coaching in Patna. Career Planner is guided by one of the best vision of excellence, which is sustained by the energy of achievement and characterized by the value of morality or uprightness. Rank 10 Jha Classes, best IBPS bank coaching in Patna. Jha Classes is basically known for mathematics tutorial center and also for different exams like Bank PO, Clerk, MBA, Railway, etc. At Jha Classes, all classes are entertained by Mr. M.K. Jha,